It's Greenclaws install. There we have it. We have one full van with what we like to call a £2,000 package. There's a dance floor in there. We've got love letters, 5-foot heart, sweetie cart, inner spot pros, chocolate fountain. It's all in here. It is full, it is rammed, and we have got a big van to do it as well. Look at the size of this van that we're taking today. Yeah, I know. So that is full, and what we're going to do, we're going to go over to Stratford. We're going to install a parquet dance floor. I believe it was a 14 by 14. We're going to put that down, so that won't take too long. And then we're going to go down to Gloucester, and we're going to do this install. The wedding's not till tomorrow, but we're quite lucky in that we can install it today. That's very good, because when you've got a big package like this, and sometimes a lot of weddings have an hour's turnaround, you're very rushed for time. Whereas today, we can kind of take our time a bit more, get it precise, and get it looking fantastic for their lovely special day. We've arrived at Riverside in Stratford-upon-Avon, and we are delivering the parquet dance floor. And look who's joined me, Mr. Edge. So
I don't like hotels that don't have easy access.
yeah,
Driven around Stratford, we could see it from the other side of the river,
we were on the wrong side of the river.
but we could see it.
No bridge, so we've had to go back into Stratford and out the other end. And like I've mentioned before, the joys of finding where to park the van. And we don't have the small van today, we have the big van. Speed bump!
Go to a caravan park.
Checking at reception. No. We are VIPs.
I'm just going straight down. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. As you can tell, I'm one of the good. Get out of the way! Cash! One.
Hello, we're from Greenclaws. We're delivering a dance floor for
To
a wedding
Riverside.
tomorrow.
Oh, right,
Straight
you'll
ahead.
need to go down towards the bar and restaurant.
Okay.
I'm sure they'll know everything about
Brilliant.
it.
Thank you very
Thank you very much.
This is a stunning venue.
It is actually, it's really quick. Look at this place.
There's a lift. It looks like lots of stairs.
Oh no, it's like Essington Park all over again.
Love my parking.
I'll put it the other way around.
Well, not yet. I'm going in.
Here we are, we're inside, we found the venue. We're up quite high actually, I think we're at the highest point. And the venue is set up, ready for tomorrow, and we've got to get a dance floor in there. Greenclaws going for the install. There we go. So we're heading to Gloucester, which is at the minute about 20 miles away. It's going to take about just over half an hour.
Not Gloucester.
Is it not Gloucester? Wait, hang on a minute.
Gloucestershire.
Toddington Village or Gloucester?
Gloucestershire.
Is it really?
Gloucestershire.
I've got the postcode, it's fine. So we will see you at Gloucestershire. Or Shire. Is it Shire? Shire? What would you say?
Gloucestershire.
Gloucestershire. Okay.
Worcestershire. Worcestershire. That's what the Americans call it. Oh, you're from Worcestershire.
Yeah, it's like Lord of the Rings in it, the
No,
Shire.
you're from England, you're not the Queen. Yeah. Next
We're
door
not
neighbour.
Americans.
Man walks into the bar.
Ouch.
Don't worry about it. It's the nuts. They're complimentary.
Okay, so we've completed the setup. This is what we've got, the final product.
They put too many in the van.
And that's all completed. So all we're going to do now is go to our next venue and install the fairy lights. See you there. Okay, so we've just installed the big package ready for tomorrow in the wedding. We got a chance to meet the bride and groom as well. Lovely couple, very excited for tomorrow. Bless them, there is some nerves around as well. But as you can see from the video, the place looks fantastic. You know, you walk in, it's a village hall, and we get all these. They had all the buntings up that the couple have actually provided, and they got the lovely decorations on the table. We go in, we then put love letters, DJ, the lights and everything, and it looks fantastic, it really does. So we're back in the van now because we're going to our third destination of today, and we're going to be installing some fairy lights. A new one to me actually. I've not yet installed fairy lights, so it'd be quite interesting to see and do that one. So Damien's going to show me the ropes on that, and of course I'll be doing some along the way. Here he is. So as I said, we're heading to our third venue. Where was it? Where are we going?
Cotswold House Hotel in Chipping Camden.
How far away is that?
Just down the road.
Oh, it's just down the road. Down the road. that's the last one, all set up and rigged up. So this is the fairy lights, as you saw from the video just. I mean, it looks beautiful, it really does. Makes the room really nice, given that definition in the roof. It's going to be a lovely, nice evening here, which will be good. So that's the end of our day. We're going to get in the van. We're going to go back to the unit, drop off a few bits and bobs, drop off the van, and that's where I collect my car and then drive home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do keep following us. We're going to keep continuing to do more of these videos, and we hope that you do like them, so give them a like if you do. And if you'd like to see any more things, then let us know, and then we'll see what we can do for you. But in the meantime, have a nice time, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.